In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Manychat to your Kit email list. So you can start collecting emails in the DMs and then add those people to forms and sequences in Kit. It's pretty straightforward. So Manychat's actually made it very easy for us to do this. All we have to go to is our settings tab and then go down to where it says integrations. And you'll notice that there's a few different pre-existing apps here. A lot of them are in beta, like Claude and DeepSeek and Klaviyo, so on and so forth. But Kit actually has a native connection with Manychat. So what you want to do is you're going to have to go into your Kit developer settings. So go to your Kit account, click on the top right, click on settings, and then go down to where it says developer. Now you're going to see an API key, and then it's also going to show you an API secret that already exists in your account. All you have to do is click on copy. And then since you haven't made this connection yet, most likely with Kit in your Manychat account, you just have to copy and paste that API secret into here, hit connect. And then once you go into an automation, it's going to look like this. So if I want to collect emails in here, I'm going to have a trigger. That trigger word is going to be when somebody DMs me the word Kit, for example, I can then ask them what their email address is. So I'm going to go to data collection right here. From the drop down, I'm going to select email, and then I'm going to say, what's your best email address to send or to add to my weekly newsletter? Now, what we want to do is we want to set the data collection expires from 30 minutes to 12 hours, because if somebody responds to this message 45 minutes later, it's actually not listening for their response anymore. So it's going to pause the automation. If you've ever seen that issue happen, that's probably why. And then what we can do on the reply is go to actions, click on plus action, and now you're going to see Kit here. So I'm going to go to Kit, and whenever I'm adding this person to my email list, at least from Manychat, what I'll do is I typically have different forms named from the source that this person came from, or I can just add a tag to that person. But typically, like, I'll go into Kit and I'll create a form called Manychat newsletter. So I'm just gonna, like, you can go into your Kit account, you can go to grow, you can create a form. This is essentially a phantom form. So a phantom form means it doesn't exist on any website. You're just using it to get data from one place to another. So, like, nobody's technically going to a website and opting in. They're just going to be added to this form once they give you their email address. So I would call mine something like newsletter phantom form from Manychat. You can map their first name to first name. And then you can do things like we talk about in different videos on this channel, like mapping custom data to custom fields in Kits. So Manychat does a really good job of trying to pull this person's first name from their existing Instagram account. So you don't actually need to ask for this specifically, kind of just need their email. But if you want, you can ask for their email address the same way that we collected their email, ask for their first name the same way we collected their email, and then go from there. So I'm going to hit save. And then once this person responds, I'm going to say something like, great, excited to send you the next issue. So an example of like what you could do here is you could post in your story and say, hey, PSA, I talk about this topic in my newsletter that I release on Sunday. If you're not getting the newsletter every Sunday, just reply with the word kits, and then I'll get you added. So they respond to your story with the word kit. You ask them what their best email address is, and then you add them to a form. And then once they're added, you can just confirm that they're going to be getting the next issue. Now, you can also take it a step further, and you can do this. So you can condition whether or not you already have this person's email address. So email has any value. If no, we're going to ask for their email address. If yes, we're just going to send them, great, excited to see, send you the next issue, right? And I'll hit save. And again, like, whenever somebody now responds with their email address, because we have this action step right here, it's going to add them to the form in Kit. And again, you can do things like add this person to a sequence. You can add tags. You can get contacts data. You can do whatever you want. This is the most popular. This is what we use. And if you found this video helpful and you want somebody to set this up for you, that link is in the description below. We work with creators and business owners who need help with Manychat and growing their email list. So check that out below. And if you're new here, hit subscribe. We look forward to creating videos like this in the future. And we're always here to help you out. Cheers.